my name is Nina Anderson Trumbull, and I'm the Evidence Section Supervisor at the Nebraska State Patrol Crime Lab. I'm here with Margaret. She's one of our evidence technicians. And today we're going to show you how to collect and package urine kits to be sent to the crime lab. In this video, we will show you how to mail evidence, certified mail, to the crime lab using envelopes. We're using one of these manufactured plastic evidence bags to place our evidence in the evidence bag. For example purposes only, I'll show that you'll tear off this piece here, and you can keep that for reference however you see fit. You'll tear off this adhesive seal here, comes off, and then you'll fold the evidence over on the dotted line, or sorry, fold the seal on the dotted line, and then you will initial here on the sealed bag. Now your evidence is sealed. If you choose to put tape around this packaging, that's fine, but you need to be sure that you're initialing your tape from your tape onto the evidence bag, on the front, on the back, and on the top and the bottom on each side. That would be a correctly sealed package. However, using the manufacturer seal on the side of the bag, folding it over and initialing here is a properly sealed evidence package. You will then take your evidence, place it in your envelope, remove your adhesive tape here, fold it over, and then you will tape your seal here. Here's an example. Put your tape over the seal so that it goes around the packaging. It doesn't have to go this far over, but it just needs to go around the packaging, and then you will initial top and bottom of the seals, front and back, so that the initials go from the tape to the packaging. Your package is sealed. You can submit your package to the crime lab, hand delivered like this, or you can certify mail it. If you choose to certify mail it, you will put your submittal form in an envelope and attach it to the outside of the envelope, like that. You'll take your green certified card, attach it to the envelope, and then your green receipt will go over where the dotted line is, go over like that. Be sure that you put your green certified slip off to the side here so that the post office has room to put their postage right here. And then your item is ready to be certified mailed to the lab. Margaret is now going to package evidence for certified mail using an envelope.
Please check the seal on the bottom of the envelope, because sometimes they're coming loose. We will seal that if it is.
This evidence has been packaged in a box. Margaret is going to show us how to prepare it for certified mail. It's important when we're sealing our packages that they are tamper evident. As you can see here, there's different seals, and so the amount of initials that you'll put on your package will vary depending on the type of seal. And it's important to remember that the initials need to be on the top and the bottom of the tape and going from the tape to the packaging that you're using.